Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the frequently asked questions in the Saudia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the help button, and within this section click on the frequently asked questions button, and as you can see, if you scroll down you will be able to find all the questions, and if you click on any of them you will find an answer for that. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.